Studying is often seen as a solitary endeavor, but building a supportive study group can be a game changer in your academic journey. A well-structured study group can provide you with a network of peers who share your goals and can help you excel. Firstly, a study group can bring diverse perspectives and insights to the table. You can learn from each other's strengths and overcome your weaknesses collectively. It's a chance to explore different study techniques and approaches. Moreover, study groups offer accountability. When you commit to meeting regularly, you're less likely to procrastinate, and you'll stay on track with your studies. Supportive study groups provide a sense of camaraderie, reducing the feeling of isolation that can come with long hours of studying. They offer emotional support and encouragement during challenging times. In conclusion, building a supportive study group is about creating a positive and collaborative learning environment. It's a way to maximize your study potential, improve your understanding of the material, and strengthen your motivation. So consider forming or joining a study group. It could be the key to your academic success.